Hello guys, and welcome to your second HTML tutorial. Now in this tutorial we'll be covering some more aspects about the basic structure of an HTML file, and we'll also be introducing some new concepts, and specifically the concept of metadata and how it can be useful to us to create better websites. Okay. Now the basic structure of an HTML file, it starts with the syntax doctype HTML in this format, and then we have the HTML beginning and ending tags, which enclose the whole document. We have the head tag and the ending head tag, which enclose the head part of the document, and the beginning and ending body tags, which enclose the content that will be visible in our website. Okay. You can think of this like the structure of a tree, where the whole document, what's between the HTML and the end HTML, is the trunk of the tree. The head and body are the two main branches of the tree. Okay, and each one of the two main branches can have multiple branches of their own. As you can see here, you can have multiple elements in the body as well. You have to get very familiar with this basic skeleton of the HTML file before you can move on to create more complex websites. Okay. Now moving on to metadata. What exactly is metadata? Well, metadata is actually information about data. It's information you insert in the head part of the document, and it tells search engines what your website is about. You can also assign, as you can see, keywords, such as I've done here, so that your website will appear in searches more easily. You can also add a description to the website. Okay. And you can also use metadata to solve a real scenario. Let's assume that you have a website that's under development, is still not finished, and you want for now to redirect the users to a different website or an address that you provide. You can do this using metadata. Now let me go ahead and explain some more about this meta tag. Now the meta tag is self-closing, as you can see, and it has two main attributes, and these attributes are the name and the content. And you have name equals, we've put here keywords so that the web browser knows that we're talking about keywords that should help search engines find our website more easily. So I put video games and website, and for the description I put this is a website about video games. Okay. You can put whatever words you consider are most relevant for the content of your website. The same applies for the description. Now here in the last meta tag, we've used, instead of name, HTTP minus equiv. It equals refresh. This is very important that you write the syntax exactly as it is. HTTP minus equiv equals refresh. And for content, we've put here free, which is the time it will take before you are redirected, and the address, which can be any address, but you have to type the syntax right using HTTP and www. Okay. And let me show you how this works. So we've saved the file, and when you open it, this website is under construction. It will be automatically redirected in 3 seconds, and here it goes. Okay. That's all I have for you guys for this tutorial. I hope you find the information useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next tutorials.